Today we've got the new radiator overflow cover and then the radiator cap. So we're going to put that on the car. We pop the hood here real quickly so you can get a better view of it. I definitely need a bigger garage. Alright, so just got in from eBay the coolant overflow cap and the radiator cap cover. For right here. So it's going to cover this. Got the new cap. It's a billet cap. You know, solid metal. I'm guessing you take these three things off here and it snaps on here somehow. End up looking like that. And then get all these covers, or all this 3M sticky off. And this will go on here. Something like so. Probably gotta take that cover. Yeah, the cap's gonna end up having to come off. It's a good thing I haven't started the car today, because that would have made a mess. Alright, so let's try this again. So it looks something like that, and then obviously this will be on that, and then it looks something like that. It'll be a nice little touch for the engine compartment. A little more red and black. Too bad that thing didn't cover all the way down. That'd look better. And then it'd look better if that was black too. But I like how this goes over that little hose there section. They got this cut out for the overflow. I don't know which one would be better, that way or this way. I think this way would be better. Yeah, I think it'd be better that way. It's a nice shade of red though, because it kind of works out. I mean, it's not the same color as that, but it's more a little closer to this color. So it kind of blends in. I mean, it's not as red as there, and it's not as red as that, but I mean, from a backed up distance, yeah, it looks a lot better. Definitely gonna have to get something to cover this section right here. Just something to cover this up. You know, like maybe something to screw in there and then come across, go across here, and then maybe, you know, probably like right here, bolt into there, and have it come across, right across here. Probably do something like that with some of this metal. Take some of that sheet metal, shape it all out, and then the same thing over here. Instead of buying that one on the internet, be a whole lot cheaper, you know, getting the coolant or the washer fluid brake line cover is what they call it. And it's basically just a cover. It just covers this little section, just puts it up flush even with right here, so it's like it goes right straight across, and it goes right underneath this cap right here. So if we painted them black to match the black, you know, black and black, and then maybe, I don't know, add some RT or Challenger, or even like a red shaker on there, you know, just something, you know, something to put on the metal right here. And then I was already thinking about this one is, I was thinking about getting the picture where it's the picture of the car, you know, like the outline of the car, and then having it be like, you know, the SHAKER right here, you know, like that exact shaker, just condensed down smaller, and have it be shaker right across here, and then right over the top of it it'll be the slant and the curve, so it looks like the car logo. So, but yep, alright, so I'm gonna get this installed on there, get that all cleaned up, and get it installed. Let's get us a rag. And I think it'll be alright to go ahead and use some brake clean on it. I mean, it's good enough to clean the brakes. Let's see why I wouldn't clean this surface. Get that nice and cleaned off so everything can stick to it. Alright, so go ahead and I could have made this easier to get off. Huh. Maybe. Alright, there's one. One down, 30 million to go. Alright. God dang. Alright, so It's hot up in here. Holy good Lord. It is hot in here. It's like 100 degrees out today. Oh, scared the shit out of me. Alright. Garbage. Alright. Now, stick this onto there. Pluck these little. Stuff is really sticky. Pliers. There's my pliers. Where did my pliers go? Yeah, these actually got a better tip. Nice and small. Maybe. There we go. One more. Okay, so, and then you can see that obviously it goes this way. You know, you got the two little groove parts, and you got the groove, so it goes on like that. So, center it up. You see how well it fits in there. It's a real nice snug fit. You know, so just squeeze it on real good. And like so. Alright. Guess we don't get to choose which way that goes. Alright, so, and there you have it. Nice, easy, quick install. 20 bucks. Off eBay. That is the, I believe it was 28 through 2020 Dodge Challenger 5.7 liter coolant overflow trim cap, and then that was the radiator cap cover. On like Steve Morris builds, or not Steve Morris, what is it? I can't remember what it is. But like American Muscle and all them, they usually have for the other Challengers, because this one it doesn't show the oil cap because there's a shaker on here. But the one 5.7s where the oil is exposed over here, they usually sell that together. Just this cap and that for 20 bucks. I got this and this shipped to the house for 20 bucks. But I got them off eBay. So can't discount out eBay sometimes. Brand new, never been used. Just because somebody else spent the hard-earned money. Sometimes people get hard up and they sell it for cheaper. One man's garbage, another man's treasure. So, alright. That'll do for that. And then the other thing we got, might be doing it tomorrow, if possible. But, let's see here. Get a knife. AK-47 knife. Pretty cool. Alright. Alright, so we got, we're going to try these out. Tire ink. So we got red. We got one big fat red one, because I'm going to do a red piece, a red word on all four, and then we got 4 of the white 4-pack. And basically what I'm going to end up doing is the BF Goodrich will be white, and then coming down to this side over here, the G will be red, hyphen, the Force will be white, and then the Sport is going to be white, and then Comp 2 is going to end up being in red. And that's just what I'm going to end up doing on all of them. So, I was going to do it today, but unfortunately, got to pay bills, so I get to go to sleep, go to work. So, alright, that's all I got for today. There's Black Betty, looking all good. And, yeah, that's what I got.